Good evening, class 4th students. We were doing chapter number 14 time. After completed exercise 14a and exercise 14b, we will do now exercise 14c. So take out your book and notebook and we will do this exercise. So students, there are adding and subtraction hours and minutes questions. So question 1, question 2 and question 3 I will tell you in book, but you will do these question also in your notebook. मैं ये क्वेश्चन आपको बुक में बता रहा हूँ लेकिन आपको ये नोटबुक में ही करने हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. डू दीज सम्स. पार्ट ए बी सी डी ई आर गिवन हेयर in question 1. So part A of question 1 is adding of the minutes. So 26 minutes, 28 minutes. You will do yourself very easily. 6 and 8, 14. We will write 4 from 14 and 1 will carry on 2. 2 and 1, 3 and 2, 5. So 26 minute and 28 minute. When we will add of these minutes, so it will be 54 minutes. So 54 minutes will be the answer. Same as it is, you can do it. Question B, question C, question D and question E and question F. Now question 2, hours and minutes. Adding and subtraction of hours and minutes. So I will tell you part A of question 2. 12 hour 23 minutes, 11 hour 28 minutes. We will add 3 and 8, 11. We will write 1 from 11 and 1 will be carry on 2. 2 and 1, 3 and 2, 5. Now we will add hour. 2 and 1, 3 and 1 and 1, 2. So the answer will be 23 hour 51 minutes. So same as it is, you will do yourself question B, question C, question D of question number 2. Now question number 3. In question number 3, you can see that there are subtraction of hours and minutes. So I will tell you part A of question 3. 16 hours 17 minutes. We will subtract 7 hours 8 minutes from 16 hours 17 minutes. So let's start. We can't subtract 8 from 7, so you will be borrow 1 from here. So it will be 17. Now we will subtract 8 from 17, it will be 9. Here the left number is 0. Now we can't subtract 7 from 6, so we will borrow from 1 from here. So it will be 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. So the answer will be 9 hour 9 minutes. So same as it is, you will do yourself question B, question C and question D. Now students, we will do question number 4. Question number 4 has part A, part B and part C. Part A of question 4 is 14 hours plus 45 minutes. So we will do add 14 hours and 45 minutes. So in notebook we will do like this. 14 hours plus 45 minutes. We will write separate hours and minutes column. So 40 we will write in hour column and 0 minutes because this is only 40 hours. Now we will do 0 hours 45 minutes because this is only 45 minutes. Now we will add. So this is 45 minutes and this is 40. So the answer will be 40 hour 45 minutes. Now part B, add 2 hour 36 minutes and 5 hour 23 minutes. So same as it is, we will separate column hours and minutes. So 2 hour 36 minutes, 5 hour 23 minutes. When we will add, so it will be 7 hour 59 minutes as answer. Now part C of question number 4, add 12 hour 5 minutes to 44 hour 16 minutes. Same as it is, we will subtract we will separate column hours and minutes. So we will write 12 under the hour and 5 minutes under minutes. Now we will write 44 in hour column and 16 in minute column. Now we will add 5 and 6 11. We will write 1 from 11 and 1 will be carry on 0. So 1 or 1 2. Now 2 and 4 6 and 1 and 4 5. So the answer will be 56 hours 21 minutes. I hope students you will be understand well. Now we will move question number 5. Question number 5 is hour subtract based question. So part A of question number 5 is 64 hour minus 16 hour. So we will subtract 16 hours from 64 hours. So it will be 48 hours. Now question B, subtract 47 minutes from 3 hours 56 minutes. So we will write first 3 hours 56 minutes. So we will make separate column hours and minutes, and then we will write 3 hours 56 minutes, and then we will subtract 47 minutes from 3 hours 56 minutes. So it will be 3 hours 9 minutes. Now part C of question number 5, 64 hour 55 minutes minus 36 hour 37 minutes. So same as it is, we will make hour and minute column separately. Then we will write 64 hour 55 minutes, 36 hour 37 minutes, and now we will subtract. So it will be 28 hour 18 minutes. So question 5 is done. Now we will move question number 6. So from question number 6 to question number 10 are word problem based question. So we will read carefully, then we will do these questions. So question number 6 we will read. Prerna studies maths for 1 hour 15 minutes. It means students Prerna study करती है maths में 1 hour 15 minutes, and she studied English for 1 hour 35 minutes. और वो English study करती है 1 hour 35 minutes. So now we will tell how long did she study. तो हमें students बताना है कि वो कितने टाइम स्टडी करती है. तो जैसा कि हम देख सकते हैं, as you can see that we will add 1 hour 15 minutes and 1 hour 35 minutes. So in notebook we will write first of all we will write the statement of this question. So Prerna studied maths for equals to 1 hour 15 minutes, and then we will write English equals to 1 hour 35 minutes. Now we will write how long she studied equals to question mark. So as you know very well, we will add 1 hour 15 minutes and 1 hour 35 minutes. We will separate column hours and minutes. Then we will write 1 hour 15 minutes and 1 hour 35 minutes. So it will be 2 hours 50 minutes. So here we will write, so Prerna study equals to 2 hours 50 minutes. Now we will move question number 7. So we will read question number 7. The meal on Lal Express was served 4 hours 37 minutes after we boarded. So लाल एक्सप्रेस में खाना सर्व हुआ 4 hours 37 minutes पहले हमारे सवार होने से पहले, यानी हमारे गाड़ी में चढ़ने से पहले लाल एक्सप्रेस में खाना सर्व हुआ 4 hours 37 minutes. दिस वॉज 2 hours 12 minutes बिफोर वी रीच दिल्ली. और ये खाना जब सर्व हुआ तो वो हमारे दिल्ली पहुंचने से 2 hours 12 minutes पहले हुआ. सो स्टूडेंट्स वी विल टेल इन दिस क्वेश्चन हाउ लॉन्ग वॉज आवर जर्नी. सो हमारी जर्नी कितने टाइम की थी. सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ में एज यू कैन सी दैट वी विल एड 4 hours 37 minutes and 2 hours 12 minutes. So in notebook we will write first the statement of this question. The meal on Lal Express was served after was boarded equals to 4 hours 37 minutes. This was before we reached Delhi equals to 2 hours 12 minutes. How long was our journey equals to question mark. So we will make separate column hours and minute, and then we will write 4 hours 37 minutes and 2 hours 12 minutes. So it will be 6 hours 49 minutes. So our journey long equals to 6 hours 49 minutes. Now we will move question number 8. So question number 8, a quiz show on TV takes 1 hour 30 minutes. So students, एक quiz show है जो टीवी पर चलता है और वो टाइम लेता है 1 hour 30 minutes का. The advertisements during the show take 26 minutes. और शो के दौरान जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट आती हैं उसमें वो 26 मिनट्स की होती हैं. हाउ मच टाइम डज द क्विज टेक? हमें यहाँ बताना है स्टूडेंट्स कि क्विज जो है वो कितने टाइम चला, कितना टाइम लेता है. तो जैसा कि हमें दिख रहा है कि क्विज जो चल रहा है टीवी पे वो 1 hour 30 मिनट चला है और उसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट ने लिया है 26 मिनट. तो हमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट के टाइम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा क्विज के शो में से, क्विज के शो टाइम में से. तो हमें क्विज का टाइम पता चल जाएगा कि वो कितने टाइम चला. सो इन नोटबुक वी विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. अ क्विज शो ऑन टीवी टेक्स इक्वल्स टू 1 hour 30 minutes. Advertisement during show take equals to 26 minutes. How much time quiz take equals to question mark. So we will make separate column of hours and minutes and we will write 1 hour 30 minutes, 0 hours 26 minutes. Now we will subtract. So it will be 1 hour 4 minutes. Here we will write, so the time take by quiz show equals to 1 hour 4 minutes. Now we will move question number 9. So question number 9 is, the annual day program got over at 6:30 PM. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमें बताना है कि एनुअल डे प्रोग्राम है जो कि ओवर होता है 6:30 PM पे. इफ़ इट वॉज अ 4 hour प्रोग्राम, अगर वो 4 घंटे का प्रोग्राम है तो व्हेन डिड इट स्टार्ट, तो वो स्टार्ट कब हुआ. तो हमें 6:30 PM में से 4 hour को माइनस करना होगा. So in notebook we will write the statement first of question number 9. The annual day program got over equals to 6:30 PM. It was a 4 hour program. It start equals to question mark. So we will make the separate column of hour and minute. Then we will write 6 hour and 30 minutes minus 4 hour 0 minutes. So it will be 2 hour 30 minutes. Here we will write, so the program did start at 2:30 PM. Now we will move question number 10. Question number 10 is, Mrs. Das went to shop at 5 PM. Mrs. Das हैं जो एक शॉप पर जाती हैं 5 PM पर, शाम को 5 बजे. एंड केम बैक आफ्टर 3 hours 17 minutes. और वो 3 घंटे 17 मिनट के बाद वापस आती हैं. So we will tell in this question, when did she come back after shopping. तो वो शॉपिंग के बाद वापस कब आई. So students, we will write statement first of question number 10 is, Mrs. Das went to shop at equals to 5 PM. She came back after equals to 3 hours 17 minutes. She come back after shopping at question mark. So we will make separate column hours and minutes and then we will write 5 PM and 3 hours 17 minutes. So it will be 8 hours 17 minutes. Here we will write, so she come back after shopping equals to 8:17 PM. So now student, our exercise is completed and the chapter also be completed. So students, you will do this exercise in your notebook like this way, neatly and cleanly, that I have done, and revise this chapter. Thank you.